All right, our next question we're going to focus on transforming a quadratic function. Now this is vertex form. Do you know why they call this vertex form?
Because
something about it. What ends up happening is the value of h and the value of k are the coordinates of what?
The first point.
Yeah, of the vertex. Which stands for which? Do you remember? Which would be the x and which would be the...
H is x and... No. Yeah, H is x and k is y.
Yeah, definitely. K is y. Now, is it exactly what h is, or...
No.
Well, we can put it as h, kind of. There's a negative in front of it. It's kind of tends to be what's the opposite of what's in that bracket, right? So we'll kind of put a negative h, just say that it's the opposite of what's in that bracket from what we'll see. But what's important now is what do each of these variables also deal with? K deals with what then? If k is the value of y, it deals with moving the vertex which way?
Up.
Up and down. H would deal with moving it which way?
Sideways.
Yeah, left and right. And A deals with what?
Expanding.
Yeah, stretching it, right? So we'd say it'd be either stretching it or compressing it or even flipping it. Okay, so I've drawn a whole bunch of funny looking things. Looks like a person almost. But that's what A deals with, stretching and compressing or flipping. Yes. Okay. So they asked us for a graph of y equals x minus 5 squared. Which of these variables does the negative 5 stand for? H, that's right. So that means our parabola will have done what?
Move to the right.
How do you know the right?
Because it's the opposite of the sign.
That's right. So that's right. If we have a parabola that's roughly like that, okay, we now know that because it's a negative, it's the opposite. We now have a parabola that's same shape, but it's moved. Is it negative or positive? Oh, shoot. Sorry. It's technically a positive. So not to the right, but which way?
To the left.
To the left, yeah. So it actually moves to the left. It's the opposite of what we'd expect it to be in that one there. Right? So if our original starts here, our new vertex is at negative 5, and because k is 0, our y value of the vertex is 0. Our vertex has been shifted to the left 5.